Okay, this is the scenario that potentially could play out on Bitcoin in relatively short order. Because look how quick this crash was, 45 to 30, right? And what, 659? Did it go higher? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, 64,895 only in April 14th. Is this Max Payne here at 33,000? Even though it's nearly a 50% haircut. No, I don't think it is. Not according to the leverage positions. The leverage traders are trying to catch the bounce, this bounce, this bounce, this bounce, and it's falling away, right? It's falling away. It's brutal. So this is a respect to Francis Hunt, the crypto sniper, the market sniper, reset sniper. But follow Francis on Twitter, on YouTube. I'm sure if he's spotted this yet, if he's trading on a Sunday, he will be going short. Okay. Whatever positions I had, I cashed out. My Litecoin play, I cashed out for a huge loss, but I still managed to scrape together around $8,000. Had some Ethereum. I cashed, turned that into USD. That was around just under two, maybe 1.5 ETH, I believe. So you know, having $10,000 cash is better than having $4,000 cash, whatever, right? If you're in, and this is, Ethereum. It's a Bitcoin, right? It's number two. Litecoin is a big coin, but it's dropping down the ranks, right? There's a lot of price action that needs to be cleaned out from more what October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Yeah, that's a good 8 months right there. And then preceding that, we had a whole summer of amazing action, right? You had tokens go from 1 cent to over $2, 200x, right? A lot of them, a lot of fake pump and dump schemes, like so wiping out of all that trash would be good. A clean out. Sucks that you've just got into crypto this year, 2021, but I'm afraid I am kind of getting more and more convinced this is going to play out. So we already hit target one of this pattern. So you take this, right? Look at this drop, crash, rebound. So what's that Wall Street cheat sheet? Look it up. Wall Street cheat sheet. Euphoria, right? It's a new world we're living in. It's a crypto world. Are we really? Almost so much positive news going up through this action, right? But now things have changed. Things have changed. So this bounce could be the what on the cheat sheet, the one that precedes the fall away, and it's kind of playing out, right? The fall away. On my on my Medium blog, I think I posted in January, February. Signs were coming top. It's still up there, but even you get suckered in. You get suckered into the hype. That's the problem with these bull markets. You get suckered into the hype. Luckily, I didn't do too much damage to myself because I'm all tucked away safely in Hex, getting paid every day. But I'll go on to that on another video. Back to this Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. So yeah, we've broken out of this pattern, and will it close below? Looks like it. What's this low? 33,821. We are at 33,738. So it looks like we want to close below this low. We made this target already. Target two. Look at target two. Round back to this low. That makes sense, right? So maybe it's just a retest of this low, right? And then it recovers. Yeah. I'm not ruling out a potential pullback. I think it did that. No, here we go. That's the thing. It's already pulled back. Right? got back into this channel. You couldn't make this midline. And let's see how it interacts with this bottom of the channel. This low here. This low here is 33.821, right? We're testing it right now. Let's see if it comes back in. I don't think it will. I think it's just gonna opportunity for people to go short. If the smart traders, right? It's still Sunday. Is New York is what 11:20, 11:20, and oh my god, 8:20 in the morning in West Coast time, Pacific Standard Time. So they'll be waking up to a huge shock on their block photos, right? What would they be doing? Would they be buying a dip or cashing out like I did, right? Protecting what remains of their value, subjective value, right? We're going to get hit more piling on tomorrow with the CNBC and the Bloombergs, believe it, right? So, what's this, 24th? So, yeah, what? CNBC, their morning show, when things really got going, yeah, around here, it'd be like 11, yeah, my time, 5 a.m. New York time. If we below 33, 32, then we're heading to 30, right? Then we're heading to 30. So this could all play out rather quickly, down to the final target, somewhere early June or end of May. There's 1 week left. That will be a complete flush. And then what is the summer like? What is the summer like? I don't know, man. Does it just relaunch? It all depends on what the Fed's going to do now, isn't it? Fed, Biden, IRS, Treasury, it's all up in the air. It's a new administration. He's throwing a lot of spanners in the works. He's going after the rich. He's going after the people who managed to make money during the COVID lockdown period. This is not looking good, man. This is not looking good. Yeah, like I posted in the comment, you got to start really evaluating your positions and figure out what would happen to your alts if Bitcoin goes down to 21,000. Then you'll be hearing calls of the end of Bitcoin. The end of Bitcoin, even though it'll be testing the 27 high. That's when, if you got reserves, you got capital, you should be picking up, I believe. Or at least observing what is going on with how it tests and how it reacts to this target. This is just a pattern, right? It's just a pattern, but I believe it's already did the head and shoulders pattern. So patterns do play out, right? This was the target for the head and shoulders. Now you got this action, another bearish pattern at play, already triggered to the downside. Yeah. Like I said, it's time to review your positions. How much do you need to survive in the next 3-4 months, right? If you've got money in crypto, you need to pay your bills, pay your mortgage. Please evaluate, please. All right, it could be brutal. Like I said, but this is just it could do anything it wants. The market, the prices are determined by the market participants, right? Inflows and outflows, right? Yeah, it's up to you. It's really up to you. I can't. All I can do is present what I'm seeing, right? And like I said, I'm not a trading god by any means. So follow Francis Hunt, follow the Crypto Sniper, or if you don't want to do that, potentially this could be a safe haven right here. Hex, it pays 39% API right now. Annualized, if you stake beyond what the average stakers are doing, you get that share of the daily payouts, right? So you're buying a dip, even as Hex goes down. You're buying a dip every night. Okay. How is Hex looking? It may come down a little further. All right, it may come down a little further, or it may not. Maybe it's done going down. We shall see. I don't think it's going to go drop into this channel. I think it's going to remain in this upper bound channel. But Hex USD. Look. This is good. If you do that, testing this upper channel, maybe just hangs out here. Maybe it pierces, goes down to 3 cents. Maybe in the max 2.2 cents. But like I said, it's been an outperformer. And how's it doing against BTC? We're at 10 sats. There is a potential, I'm not going to lie, that this is a head and shoulders. All right. This is a head and shoulders, but it's a complex. It's a weird one, right? Or it could be just testing 100 sats, right? 100 sats is boom right there. 100 sats is right there. So he's tested 1, 2, 3 times, and now will it do it a 4th time? We shall see. I think this pattern that I identified right here is not active anymore. This had a measured move to 170, so we can take that away. Remove. Let's look at the indicators. Slow stochastic. Pointing down. So, as this has been a safe haven for so many people who have state contracts expiring or are liquid may decide to, as they get liquidated elsewhere on Bybit, BitMEX, Binance, and see their stats just get decimated. I think we're going to see some reaction in Hex as well. That's on the BTC. We'll see. We shall see. There is a potential the head and shoulders going down to 600. Right there. No, 600. I mean 60 sats, which is okay. That will be good. A low here, excellent. Yeah, look, dumping. Hex USDC, dumping. Good thing though, there's not too many liquid coins on Hex. Most of it is tied up in contracts, staked away, earning interest. No, I don't want that. I wanted momentum structure. Let's see. It's peaking below the 0 line. It might go negative. It might come down all the way down here. 2 1/3 cents, maybe, potentially. HexWef. It's getting tired, isn't it? So this is going to come down. This is going to retest some levels. Maybe it holds this channel. Maybe it pops out and for it to return back later. Litecoin. 139. Litecoin is looking poorly. Everything looks poorly until it starts going back up again, right? That's the problem with these markets. You need to identify your risks. You shouldn't be having investing money you can't afford to lose. All right, that's the old school saying, and it's true. So yesterday I was kind of looking at this as a fractal over here, but it's this low is key. What is it? 125. If you take out 125, then look how long this candle is. 1 day, 283 down to 125. Ah, man. So lack of new buyers and people just continue selling for days on end. We'll see it bleed out. We'll see it bleed out. I think $100 test, right? $100 test seems to be likely now. We're only at 139. It's only $40 more. It's only $40 more. Oh, Baba. Yeah. Just start picturing like lower prices and how much pain can you endure and how much can you pick up on cheap. Like I said, Litecoin should be a long-term hodl for the coming few years, at least up into the next halving, which is in 2023 around here. But yeah, okay. I think I'm going to call this video. Back to that Bitcoin destruction pattern. Oh, it pains me. It pains me to bring this up. That's why it kind of makes sense it will play out. The pain that's going to cause people. Oh, man. Newbies will be forever shaken out. Or at least for the next 6 months, right? Until the next hype cycle starts again. Yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah. Tested, falling away now. 33,525. Yeah, boy. Oh, boy. All right. Just a Sunday afternoon vid with Balaji. 473. Oh, let's see what happens in real time. What's this low? 32,652. 32,652. Dash line. Okay. Another level, taking out levels, right? That's all it's doing. Low, high, low. Where's this low? Right. It seems to me that it wants to, at a minimum, test this. Once it hits 30, then it's gonna reach target 2. Reach target 2. Then we'll see. Then we'll evaluate. Anyway, all right. I'm out. Peace. Balaji.